Good day, everyone. This is our prototype, Teach Voice prototype. Teach Voice prototype is a website that allows students to give anonymous feedback about their teachers. The main goal of the system is to help improve teaching quality while protecting the identity of students. Teach Voice is easy to use and only takes a short time to complete. The simple design helps students submit feedback quickly. All feedback is combined into reports that show common strengths and areas for improvement instead of individual comments.
So, so this system does not collect names or personal information, which encourages students to be honest. So let's try the system now. So first, let's try to give a feedback or try sample feedback, and then we choose a teacher. No, no, no. So let's click the sample feedback. Then automatically there's a submit sample. Just click it, and automatically there's a one total feedback down there, and Miss Verdon HCI. So next, so go on give feedback. This is a manual feedbacking. So let's choose a teacher, then the subject or class, test squad, then ratings is 4. Then we can write a short comment, but this is optional. Then submit feedback. I confirm this feedback and submit this feedback. So as you can see, there's a two total feedbacks, and there's also a graph for average rating by teacher. So as you can see, there's Miss Verdon, Miss Patalingog, and also the recent comments. So Miss Patalingog Testqua and Miss Verdon for HCI. So I think that's our prototype all about. So down there, there's also a definition what is tech voice and how it is improve the usefulness for each student to be more honest. So and also our prototype is extension of UCLM portal that students may allow to rate the teachers accordingly to their own perspective. It is good or bad, and that's it.